How your health insurer determines your premium. Do you have questions about how your health insurance company calculates your premium? Here at the Office of the Insurance Commissioner, our role is to carefully review and, if justified, approve the rate changes insurance companies request for individuals and small businesses. Your premium is calculated based on the rates the health insurers file with us. Here's how that works. When a health insurer decides they need a rate change, they send the request and documentation to us. Insurance rates are the base cost that an insurance company charges for the risk of a possible claim, such as a visit to the emergency room or paying for prescription drugs. The company calculates the base rate of its health plan by considering 4 factors. The biggest driver is medical costs, how much medical services cost, and how often people use those services. Second is operating costs, such as salaries, rent, and marketing. Third is taxes and fees. And fourth is profit. This is the amount the company keeps after it pays other costs. Once your insurance company has a base rate, it adjusts that rate using the following factors to get to your monthly premium: your age and the age of any family members in your plan, how many people you want covered, whether or not you smoke, where you live, the type of plan you choose. These are the only factors health insurers can use to adjust your premium. This means they can't charge you more because of your gender or how healthy you are. Here's where we come in. We review your health insurer's requested rate change before they can charge you a new premium. We do not review each consumer's final premium, but we do review the factors and formulas used to calculate those premiums to make sure the methodology is approved, it's applied consistently, and it complies with Washington state laws. Each spring, insurers submit rates for the next year. We review those rates over the summer and make final decisions in the fall. The health insurance companies start using the new approved rates on January 1st of the coming year. Here's what we look at when we review a rate change: the insurance company's claims and administrative costs to see if they're consistent with its financial statement, their actual versus projected medical and prescription costs, the assumptions they use to project their medical and prescription drug costs, including changes in costs and benefits, their expenses, such as agent commissions, taxes, and salaries, how much profit the company expects to make. We won't approve a rate change if we find that they're excessive, meaning they're too high in relation to the plan's benefits. They're inadequate, meaning they're too low and the company might not have enough money to pay claims. Or they're unfairly discriminatory, meaning they charge certain people more than allowed under state and federal law. If we find any issues with an insurance company's request, we'll work with them during our review to have them modify their request. But if they can actuarially justify their request, we're required by state law to approve it. What can you do if your insurance company increases your premium? Your best option is to shop around. Open enrollment happens every year from November 1st through January 15th. Consider shopping through Washington's exchange, wahealthplanfinder.org. It's an easy way to compare plans and the only place to get federal subsidies that reduce your monthly premium. For more information on how to shop for or use your health insurance and other helpful information, visit us at insurance.wa.gov. Questions? Call 1-800-562-6900 to learn more.